onions, peppers. Got some chicken breast that we've been marinating. Check this out. I'm telling you don't have Blackstone, this thing for meal prep, this thing is super awesome. I use it several times every single week. Oh yeah, got some bacon, some turkey bacon, and we got some chicken, the onions, green peppers. I like to cook a variety of different things all at the same time. That way I can kind of mix my meals together throughout the week, kind of make some different dishes. Sometimes I put onions, peppers in my chicken. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I use it for my breakfast burritos. Sometimes I don't. So it just gives me lots of variations to having food cooked on hand. A portion of each day for my week. It's super awesome, super easy. And I don't know if you can tell, but my two crazy dogs are playing back here. Oh my goodness. Margot and Martha, German Shepherd and Old English dog. Freaking 100 degrees outside and they're playing like crazy. And I'm cooking on the heat. Oh my goodness. There's no sugar in it, and it's so good. I mean, I have it with my coffee, I have it with whatever. It's so good. So, and then, my second or third meal, I'll alternate the chicken breast that I got going on here with some peppers and onions, or I'll alternate, some 90% ground turkey. Again, using some of these peppers and onions. So, those two might stay the same with a little bit of variation, but I'll alternate between like sugar-free barbecue, Polynesian sauce, different kind of flavors. I know some of you guys eat a lot of rice. I used to eat a lot of rice back in my prep days. But now with my schedule, on the go a lot, I eat in my car a lot. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I do not like cold rice. Man, cold hard rice is not my thing. So, or Reese's peanut butter cup, mini cups, whatever. And then we have one that's just a peanut butter one. You add a little bit of peanut butter in it, and then whatever else you want for your mix-ins. Super awesome. Put my green peppers, onions, and stuff that's almost done here. I'm trying to flip my chicken. But anyway, guys, be consistent. Again, these are just cook a bowl, and then